Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Really needed to do an update here on Jasmy. Can we? Where's the main Jasmy account? I'm not sure if we actually got some news, but the main reason that I wanted to make a video on Jasmy here, and we'll do a full technical update mainly because there don't seem to be many new fundamentals we need to talk about. But the main reason I wanted to do that is that earlier this morning, or basically starting in the Asian session earlier today, for me in the night at least, Jasmy was actually starting to show some potential. And it's pretty rare these days that Jasmy is actually starting to show some potential, and the main potential, and that still is here, all right? So I do think it's worth it to keep an eye on Jasmy here, because what you can see is that we actually got some massive open interest, massive momentum gain since yesterday afternoon. All right, and the last time we saw a gain like this was right here, Monday the 23rd of September, and after that, or at least the entire move back then, was a move in total of 27%, which is an amazing move to get. Now, unfortunately for Jasmy, and by the way, if we take a look at the volume for Jasmy, there also is a higher than average volume gain right here, as you can see, and the volume is still gaining into the price action right now. so Jasmy, look, if you take a look at the volume, if you take a look at the momentum, if you take a look at the location of the price right now within the structure, which is still in the lower range, lower 50% of the general structure, I would also say that's bullish for Jasmy. But unfortunately, and that's just bad timing, I would say, unfortunately at the moment, we also see the strongest pullback for Bitcoin we've seen basically since last week, Tuesday or something. All right, which is not the end of the world. And I do think, like Jasmy, like I said, I still think it's worth it to keep your eyes on it, because if Bitcoin finds support, I think Jasmy has a very, very high chance to actually break above its resistance right here, around 2.05 and 2 cents, and rally up higher. All right, and I think that's the main opportunity right now. What you can see right now for Jasmy is that we are very much respecting that level around 2.05 and 2.03, and just in general this gray area here. We're also respecting the 200 EMA right here. But if Bitcoin actually finds support, right, so if we get rid of that bearish pressure coming from the general markets, and Jasmy is able to get that bullish breakout here, I do think that in combination with the momentum that we're gaining right now and the volume, I think that's enough to actually get some sort of a move up. All right, now how big the move up is going to be, like ideally we want to get into 2.15, 2.2 and 2.25 cents. Can we do that? Yes, but that certainly depends on the market, all right? Because right now Jasmy looks good, but the open interest is also up already like a total of 18%, which is quite over leveraged, all right? So if Bitcoin doesn't get that strong of a move up and it just consolidates, we might need to reset some open interest and reset some leverage before going up there, right? So ultimately, I think it's time for Jasmy to do something here. So I would say it's likely that somewhere this week we will actually get that move up, all right? So the breakout here above, let's say 2.02, and that move into 2.1 and 2.15 as a conservative target. So I do think that's most likely, but at the moment, it is still far too much dependent on Bitcoin. All right, so I cannot tell you whether it's going to be today or Wednesday or Thursday that we're going to break out. That just depends on when Bitcoin actually finds not only support, but also some new fresh momentum. And then I do think Jasmy is one of the coins that can break out, even if the momentum and the volume drop down a bit. Because it's just in general, I mean, in terms of this range, Jasmy is one of the coins that can rally quite a bit. It's a DWF Labs coin who pumped up some of their coins yesterday as well. So there's a higher likelihood that they'll do that soon with Jasmy as well. Now it's just waiting for the ideal timing. Right now, I don't think the ideal timing is here. I do think it's close. But like I said, wait for Bitcoin to find support, wait for the breakout, and then it's a great opportunity. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.